everybody, welcome back to the channel. Happy February. It is February 1st and you know what that means. The BHM Pattern Designers Challenge has kicked off today. I am so super excited about it. So this Sewing Buzz, I'm gonna just jump right in, but first of all, I do want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and those who continue to follow and support the channel, and those who have subscribed to the website, because you know there were some things that I dropped over the past couple weeks that now everyone will be able to see starting this week. Make sure you stay tuned for this week, as I have said already. If you just saw my swatch making video, that swatch book making video, that I have videos all this week. So yeah, today, tomorrow, and Thursday. So make sure that you stay tuned. But today we are going to start out with that Sewing Buzz. And of course, what am I going to start out talking about? BHM Pattern Designers Challenge. Yes, it is now time to begin. If you have not already, pick out, select your pattern that you want to use, your fabrics, your if you knit and if you quilt and you have time to do something in the month of February, go for it. You crochet, pattern designers, all of that information is on my website, and you will be able to see everything there. So I am going to make sure that I stick to my notes so I don't go too far over time here. But for those who don't know, BHM Pattern Designers Challenge was started by myself, and back then in 2019, I can't believe it's been 3 years, it was the beautiful Myra from One So Sweet, who was my lovely co-host for the past couple years, and now this year we have Kira from Island Socialist. If you are not following her on YouTube, yeah, follow her on YouTube and check out what she is doing and what she has in store for BHM Pattern Designers. We have been behind the scenes very busy with so much to bring you, so much information and everything. All of the rules for the challenge is on the website, but I will just tell you this: high level rules. 1, you must use a black pattern designer. So that can be handbags, wallets, crochet, knitting, quilting, whatever. How do you find out what are the black pattern designers? And yes, you can use commercial, because there are black pattern designers for commercial patterns. How do you know who it is, where to go, what fabric companies are out there? Head over to SewNaturalDane.com. The link will be down below. You will see it all, and there will be links to all of these different shops, all of the different pattern designer shops, and even for some of the more vintage, perhaps out of print commercial patterns, that's also listed. You'll be able to see everyone's patterns, as many as we have. If you have some that you don't see on that list, email hello@SewNaturalDane.com, and we can make sure that we catalog that for future use. And so yeah, make sure you head over to the website. And if I did not mention it, make sure you are following our beautiful ambassadors. They have some exciting things to share as well. We have Dita from Divine Dita, we have T from Crumpets Tea and Sewing, and we have Crystal from Crystal Sews and Stuff. So pictures and everything should have been popping up here, but I'll also leave a link to their social media down in the description box. So yeah, make sure you are checking everyone out for all of the inspiration and amazing things that are coming up. So let me just share with you, we have some awesome, amazing sponsors and prizes. Now we'll talk more about the prizes as the month go along, so don't get, you know, hold on, we're gonna let you know. But we have some amazing sponsors, and so I'm just going to start showing a lot of the sponsors that we have here. You'll probably seen this graphic on our social media already, but I'll just share with you again. We have Style So Me Patterns, we have Sewn Magazine, My Daily Threads, Baron Handmade, we have Thanks I Made It, So Much Fabric, we have the Stitch Buzz, we have The Last Stitch, we have Monteo Mayo Patterns, we have have MyBodyModel. We also have Cosito Designs, which you know her coupon started in early January. So make sure that you are taking advantage, and I'll talk about discount codes here momentarily. We have Sew It Academy. We have melanated fabrics. We have Legionnaire bead patterns, so handbag wallets, yes. We have Spoon Flower. We have My Fabric Designs, and last but not least, y'all, we have PDF Plotting as our sponsors. And so we have discount codes for several of our sponsors that we definitely want to share with you. They are live now. You go over to the website and look at them individually. You can look at them also. We've posted them on our social media over on Instagram and whatnot. But you do have Cosito Designs that's offering 20% off. You have Melanated Fabrics with 15% off. Monteo Mail for her Tory wrap coat is 15% off. MyBodyModel is offering 15% off. My Fabric Designs is offering 25% off. PDF Plotting is offering 10% off. So Much Fabric is offering 15% off. And if you subscribe to the newsletter sign up, you get 20%. You'll get a coupon code for 20% off. The Stitch Buzz is offering 20% off at her Etsy shop. And The Last Stitch is offering 15% off books and patterns. So yeah, so super excited. So make sure you missed all that. Head over to the website. Everything is there. And also stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video is a huge announcement. If you're on the email list and if you went down to the description box and over to the website, you already know. But I'll make an official major announcement coming tomorrow. But so make sure you stay tuned for that, tomorrow's video. During the month of January, Kira and I have been interviewed, had several interviews throughout the month. I will show you pictures here, but I'll leave links to the actual broadcast down in the description box. Go check them out. They were all fun to do, and we had a great time doing them. Now, Kira and I did podcast interview with Lisa from Black Women Stitch, and you can see that everything will be linked down in the description box. We also did an interview with Maria from Soul Organized Style, and her podcast that will also be linked down below. And then I did a very fun interview also with Erica from MyBodyModel, where I shared some of my paper dowels. You can see that on her IGTV. I will leave a link down to that also in the description box. So yeah, lots of information in the description box. You want to make sure you click on the description box to get all of that. So let's jump into some of the other sewing buzz that is happening, things that have taken place in January. New patterns. So there are quite a few new patterns. I will say, let me just tell you, I have been very busy with BHM Pattern Designers Challenge. So there are a few things that I just missed. But I'm trying to give you as much as I was able to capture from the month. So Cashmere Patterns has released the Upton and Skirt Plus Mix and Match Expansion Pack. So when I saw that, they have a square neckline. You already know I have made the Upton several times, and I have a sew along here on my channel for the Upton dress. And so I am very much looking forward to making that square neckline. I'm looking forward to just mixing and matching the bodices, the skirts, and all the sleeve options, all of that. I am looking forward to that. And so make sure, if you haven't, check that out and again, links for everything I talk about will be in the description box. Go check out Cashmere Patterns website, and you will be able to see all of those updates. Rebecca Page Pattern had released this beautiful sweater cape, which is so cute. I think this is so very fashionable. Now, I don't think I will wear this now. This is probably something maybe I will have to, because again, our winters aren't very long. It's still cool. It is around 65, and we had mid 70s this week. So, but I think this is so cute, so super cute. Looks, and this is termed as beginner friendly. Looks very easy to pull together. I think this is so super cute. And remember, Rebecca Page do go up to a 5XL, and remember, Cashmere Patterns goes up to a 32 now. So make sure you check out all of their sizing and everything, so you'll be able to get those patterns. Itch to Stitch came out with the llama hoodie and sweatshirt. Now this is definitely a super cute pattern. Now her patterns go up to a size 40, and she does have a full bust option with this particular pattern. But you know what I like about it? All of the color blocking options. So cute. And I like the way she has it styled on the front of her pattern. So this is definitely, and this pattern has princess seams on the front. So far as fitting, the type of fit that you want and how you want it to lay on your body, very good options there. And of course, Style So Me, if you have not seen this, where are you? She has released 2 new patterns. She has released the Grace dress and the Giselle dress. These are so cute. And so the Giselle, now I'm particularly drawn to this because that whole pussy bow blouse look. There are princess seams at the top, and I like the sleeves, and then the style lines. If you saw the style lines, you know that that little kind of the ruffle, well, not a full ruffle, but the seam at the bottom where you can, now I would lengthen mine. I will definitely lengthen mine. Erin's had hers is a little short, but I would lengthen mine just a little bit. I want that bottom to hit my like that midpoint of my knee is where I'm comfortable with most skirts, dresses hitting me. But yeah, isn't that cute? So pretty, so pretty. Both of those dresses are adorable. And then big news, this I was happy to see. So Over Patterns have extended their size range for 6 more of their patterns, and they which go up now to a size 30. Definitely check this out. Now I have what has been extended is the Eve and the Betty dress. I have those patterns. Mind you, if you all remember, you know my story. When I used to buy patterns, I didn't pay attention really to the size or anything like that. Those patterns didn't fit me at the time that I purchased them. And so don't know that they would fit me now either, because of the way the block is set up. However, now that she has extended them up to a 30, now that block has changed, and all you have to do is reach out to them. I believe what I read in the email is that it's uploaded, it's updated in your account if you sign in. Or you can provide proof of purchase, and so that's what I will be doing, because yeah. And I also have the pussy bow blouse, which I have made, and so I'm looking forward to the updating sizing, because I do have a few of her patterns. Again, I purchased them during a time where I couldn't fit them, but I was on a Sew Over It pattern buying kick at that time. And so at any rate, so now that she's updating her sizing, definitely looking forward to that. Also, Silhouette Patterns has released 4 new patterns for spring, and I thought these look quite stylish, very simple. If you're looking for something simple and stylish and pretty chic to add into your wardrobe, I thought these 4 different patterns looked really good. And so definitely go check out Silhouette Patterns. And of course, if you following Peggy here on YouTube, she usually has a pattern of the month known as Palm, and you can go follow along over there. She usually does a live and everything for her palms. And so yeah, go check out Silhouette Patterns. And so oh, the other thing that was kind of sad to see is AK Patterns has closed shop. Athena, so it was sad to see her go. She has definitely contributed a lot to the sewing community. Hopefully we will continue to see her on Instagram posting some of her own makes when she has time. She has definitely have a busy schedule over there. And so yeah, thank you so much, Athena, for all of your contributions to the sewing community. And I do appreciate that. Was the first time I had ever been approached about having a pattern named after me, which is the Kimberly dress. If you all didn't know that, that was actually named after me. And so yeah, it's sad to see her go, but totally understandable. If you're on her newsletter list, you would have already known that. There are a couple bag patterns that one bag pattern that I'm capturing. There were several others, and I just got super busy. And so, but there is one I wanted to share, because I know a lot of you bag makers out there, or those who want to try new bags, you have been loving when I shared the new bag pattern. So the one I do want to share is by Chris W Designs. It's called the Footloose Tote, which is super cute, looks very easy to make. And with Chris W Designs, hers comes with videos, so you'll be able to follow along with that. But I do like the side tabs and a little front zipper option. So yeah, it's just another design. And again, there were several new pattern bag releases, you guys. I'm so sorry, I just didn't have time to capture everything for today's video, because yeah, things are in high gear with BHM Pattern Designers. But last but not least, I wanted to share about these lovely ladies also here from Texas. It is Sorority Wear. Now, I'm sure you all, if you're on Instagram and you've already followed these ladies, you've seen this. You've probably seen unboxings. If you did not catch, I will link Crystal from Crystal Souls and stuff. She just recently did an unboxing when she received her sorority wear box. I will leave that down in the description box, so make sure you go check out her video. But these ladies, Kiki, Monica, Tarsha, Nikki, again, all from Texas. They created this business that brings the sewing community together, and they offer different boxes and items, specially curated just for you, different levels and everything like that that you can pick up from their website. But so cute. I have been watching not only the unboxings here on YouTube, but a ton of people have been doing unboxings over on Instagram. So make sure you are following Sorority Wear. I'll leave a link down to their Instagram down in the description box down below, so you'll be able to go check them out. But go see the unboxings. They have t-shirts, tumblers, totes, enamel pins, some cute stuff. And it's just a way to bring the sewing community together, and just another offering that it's just nice to have all of these businesses in the sewing community that we all can support. And yes, congratulations ladies, those are some beautiful items. And yeah, I will be picking up me something here in the near future. So that is it. That is the sewing buzz. I know that was a lot is going on. I hope you all are excited about BHM Pattern Designers. And yeah, once again, check that description box. But yeah, stay tuned tomorrow. I have a big announcement to make. If you don't know already, you will know come tomorrow. Big announcement to make on tomorrow. Then 2 more videos coming up this week, Wednesday and Thursday. And so yeah, that is it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description box. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, share it out. And yeah, we will see you tomorrow. Bye.